In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add friends on your PS5. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Let's go ahead and get into this. But if you want to play online together with friends, send messages, or just see what your friends are playing, like as you can see, Miguel was just playing Resident Evil this week. I think he's preparing for the new game that's about to come out. Essentially, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is start off on the home screen and then press the PlayStation button on your controller, and it's going to open up the control center. So just scroll down, and what you're looking for on here is the game base. So as you can see, they're all going to be labeled. So home, switcher, notifications, game base. Go ahead and select that, and then it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where if you're trying to find a new friend, go ahead and just go to this friends tab, which is the very first option, and select search for players, just like so. As soon as you select this, you can enter in a name or ID. For example, Twinkie Man's already here, so we're just going to select him. But search for their name or online D, and then of course open this up, and then you're going to be able to add the friend just right here. Once they accept your request, you'll be able to see their online status, join their parties, play games together, and that is really it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help us out, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.